Let's make cinnamon rolls. Add 1½ cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of your 2/3 cup of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, 1 standard packet, to a small bowl and mix. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. In a separate bowl, add 4½ cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and mix. Add the yeast mixture to a large bowl and 1/4 cup of melted butter, and then the rest of your sugar. In a small bowl, add 2 large eggs and mix. Then add to the main bowl and mix. Add the flour mixture a little at a time until all incorporated. Switch to a wooden spoon when it gets thick. Transfer the dough to a large, lightly oiled bowl and cover, and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled. In a small bowl, add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1½ tablespoons of cinnamon, and mix. Then add 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix. Transfer the risen dough to a floured surface and roll it out into a large rectangle. Baste the top with softened butter, then sprinkle on the topping. Roll the dough up lengthwise into a log. Then use a knife or floss to cut the rolls. Place them in a lightly oiled large baking pan. Cover and let rise for an hour or until doubled. Baste the top with butter, then bake at 375 Fahrenheit or 192 Celsius for 18 to 22 minutes until golden brown. In a medium bowl, mix 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, then add 1/4 cup of softened butter and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Then mix 2 cups of powdered sugar to finish the cream cheese frosting. Then add the frosting to the top and serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website in thekitchenwithmatt.com.